Good morning. It's 6:50 on Tuesday, January 17th. And it's 23 degrees. We had sleet all day yesterday. So we've got a good 5 inches of ice pellets. Very dense. I could walk on top of them without really making too much of a dent. Sunrise is at 7:07. And after Flynn takes care of business, I have my coffee, first cup, and then I might get out with a snowblower, clear some of the stuff up. I think the high temperature today is supposed to be 28, so it won't melt and freeze. Didn't do much yesterday with the weather. Got in the house 3 times just to walk Flynn. One of my cameras inside the barn. It's going bad. I don't know what the problem with it is, but the video is got some problems. I reboot the camera remotely and she comes up good better, but she's still got a problem. This stuff is like walking in the sand on a beach. Last night, Flynn's last walk, Travis had not plowed the road. I'm sure he got to it overnight. We'll see. Oh boy, still got a way to go. Yep, Travis plowed. This is not going to be fun. Trying to get through this with the blower. Don't pee on my foot. No critters on the silk hams. Not even pictures overnight. The other night it 6 or 7 pictures of nothing. Well, I got the test pictures from 1 in the afternoon yesterday. That's what the setups are doing. Send me a test picture. Yeah, breeze picking up. So we can close the zipper. That's better, a little bit better. But go, let's go. Travis is going to have to come by with a big truck with the second blade to push this up back. It's getting deep. What are they leaking? Oh, get out of there. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's antifreeze or what? I want to get the snowblower out because Rita wants to go down to the club. Tuesday is sewing day with the girls. I don't want her to miss that. I just saw if I can get it in the barn. The doors were frozen the other day. The garage door barn on the barn and the man door. The key wouldn't turn. We're here 7 years, and this is the first time I've really had a problem with the key and the man door. I've had it twice so far. Must be due to climate change. Yep, global warming. Climate change is affecting the lock on my man door in the barn. Don't know what today's weather is, but it doesn't look like we'll see the sun. Flynn, how much can you smell a snowball, huh? Let's go. Flynn. deep here. Must be a low spot in the road. There's an inch and a half of snow there, or sleet, whatever it is. Must be a high spot here and there, and that's low. Watch a interesting discussion on YouTube yesterday. Can't remember the guy's name. They had Matt Gaetz on. 2-hour plus interview with Matt Gaetz about the 5 days of votes to get Speaker of the House. And what they were trying to achieve and what they achieved. Initially I thought Matt Gaetz and the Taliban 20, as they were called, were going to screw things up, but turns out they had ambitious goals, and they were doing the right thing. So, hats off to Matt Gaetz and the crew. Well, Tim Pool is the YouTube thing. Tim Pool IRL. Sometimes I agree with him. Sometimes I don't. But that's where you discuss and collaborate, come to a consensus of opinion, or you don't. It's called free speech. I can disagree with you without hating you. Come on, bud, let's go. Let's see a man about a horse, or a snowbound about its herd. There's more of the sleet on the Prentiss road than there is in Carroll. I'm sure they'll be by later with their grit. The grit's niceness give you traction, but the other, but 8 months of the year, 7 months of the year, it's just dust or mud. No track even. Flynn, where are we going? We get up to this driveway and then we're going to turn around. It looks like he's ready. I go hunting in there. Flynn, in the house. Flynn. Yeah, I hear it. I think it's a truck. Probably the plow. Yep. All right, buddy, let's go. Flynn, come on. Flynn, let's go. Flynn. Get up, get. Try and walk in the middle, so then have to stop and smell every flake of snow on the mountains. So tomorrow is the last day for breakfast at Raymond's at Lee in Lee. New owners take possession on Thursday. So breakfast and then they close, no lunch. They have to do an inventory and the closing, and then the new owners take over. And no more breakfast. No more in dining room dining. No lunches. No breakfast, no dinner. They have takeout, but no sit-down stuff. So that's an end of an era. A lot of people go there for breakfast. Get all the dirt on what's going on around towns. who's getting married, who's getting divorced, who's having kids, who died. Yep. All goes away. It's too bad. So I had sent Roger a message asking what he's going to do, because he's there for breakfast every morning. He says he's trying to get the old Grange Hall, which is across Route 6, about 200 feet west of Ravens. Trying to get them to open for breakfast for 4 in the morning till 9 for the ski lodge. But the ski lodge, I fear, would be prohibitively expensive, because they charge like $15 for a burger. $30 to go tubing, and half of the hill didn't have snow on it. Our friends had family up in Florida, and they were there looking to do something in the snow, because they actually hadn't seen snow before, the kids. So a family of 5 went tubing. $150 just for the tube and 12 them out. Look at all the little chickadees. You see all the seed pods or whatever they are on the ground. You can't see from here, but well, you can't see them on the video. I can see from here. Well, I have to make blueberry muffins today, no matter what. I'm down to 2 muffins. And I got 2 pints of blueberries in the refrigerator going bad. Well, not going bad, but needing to be used. We're lucky the temperature where it was yesterday, and it was these little ice pellets rather than freezing rain, or else it would have taken down power lines again. I tell you, this would be, I think it'd be good for snowmobiling on this stuff. Not the road. The carbide skis would dig right through that, down to the dirt, wear them out. But the ice stuff that fell yesterday, I think the sled was right on top of that. Maybe when I finish with the snowblower, I'll get the sled out and take a run around. I've only had the sled out once before. January 17th, huh? February's usually a good month for snowmobiling. And very, very early March. We're planning on a hot dog roast at the Locks. Snowmobile get together. February 25th, weather permitting. We usually get 75 sleds down there. Hot dogs. Oh, campfire pies. Red snappers. They don't have any soubrettes or Hebrew National. It's just the main red hot dogs, red snappers. The heated mats couldn't keep up with the ice yesterday. I'd turned them on early, but turned them off because I saw how it was coming down. I get out there and shoveled and didn't bother turning them on. But I turned them on this morning to see how it dealt with what little was there. Flynn, what do you keep looking at? Come on, let's go. Nice morning for a walk, though. Not too breezy, not too cold. Get out and stretch your legs. Get the blood flowing. Did get some ice in the trees. Last night, Flynn's last walk, the storm door was coated from freezing rain. So we got lucky. I think this is all the freezing rain stuff. No mail today until I clear that box. Flynn, come on. Let's see if we make it down to the field. Get the flag unstuck here. I know I'm a couple inches taller because of the snow. Flynn. No, come on. No. Let's go. Come on. No. Yeah, no tracks. Just me and Flynn. Our tracks here and over there. Maybe we'll see the sun today. Looks like some blue sky above me. Flynn, in the house, come on. Let's go. In the house. Get. I think it was 2 days ago I filled the bird feeders up. They're down to, a third. We're really going to town on these things. Yep. Come to half. You can see them. Maybe you can't. All the branches in there. Well, that's it. It's coffee time. Flynn. Come on, let's go. Yeah, the mats are starting to come through. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.